Okay guys, so usapang market session. And so kung makikita nyo, 6 a.m. yung start or PH time yan. So 6 a.m. yung start ng Asian session. Then magko-close yan ng 3 p.m. So Philippine time po yan, 6 a.m. yung start. Pero ayan, so to clarify lang kasi broker, yung mga brokers natin, open yan is 6:05. So after 5 minutes ka pa pwede mag-place ng order, be it buy or sell or any pending orders, pwede mo yang ilagay at 6:05. So pero start na ng 6, no? So yung Tokyo naman, ayan, mag-open siya ng 8. So medyo mas medyo mas mabilis na yung galaw ng market natin yan. So London magi-start, mas mabilis yan. So 3 p.m. So close na yung Sydney. Pero yung Tokyo and London, yan, nag-overlap sila. And yan, at around 3 p.m. medyo mabilis na yan. So pero ang pinakamabilis and may pinakamalaking galaw talaga is at New York session, 8 p.m. ang start niyan. So usually 8:30 p.m. nagkakaroon ng mga news announcement, 10 p.m., 10:30. So it will depends on what time. And some other announcements, especially with the Fed, around 2 a.m. sa sa Philippine time. And ang close nga ng New York session or ng US session is 5 a.m. So 5 a.m. mag-close and then open around 6 a.m. ulit. So pero merong mga 24/7 talaga, no? So hindi talaga nag-close, which is the cryptocurrency, yung mga Bitcoin, Ethereum, lahat ng mga cryptocurrency na pwede nating i-trade sa forex natin. So ayun, if you're planning to trade, ayan, so pwede kayo mag-trade ng nakadepende sa oras nyo. So medyo mahaba-haba talaga yan, no? By the way, weekends wala sa mga pairs, no? And especially with gold. And ayun, pero pwede ka pa rin mag-trade ng cryptocurrency. So in trading, yun, pwede ka mamili kung anong oras kung anong oras mo gusto mag-trade. So it will depends on you. And ayun, kung may day job ka, pwede kang pag-uwi mo, so kung 5 p.m. ang out mo, at around 8 naman siguro nakakain ka na at nakauwi ka na niyan. So pwede ka na mag-start ng trading mo. So you can trade for around 8 to 12 ng gabi. So mabilis-bilis din yun. And you can find a good setup yun. So pero wag natin pilitin, no? So in trading, hindi naman kailangan laging umentry. Ang mahalaga, you show up with the market, you look for opportunity. Pero pag wala, yun, wag natin pilitin kasi baka naman pilit yung mga opportunities kung pipilitin natin, no? So maglo-loss lang tayo pag ganun, and hindi natin sinunod yung plano natin. So you trade with your plan, with the setups, or kung trend following ka, you look for a trend. Kung wala, edi wala. And kung range trader ka or reversal trader, so it really depends on you, no? So yun lang. You can trade anytime, anywhere with forex. So I invite you to join our Telegram community. So nandiyan lang yung link niyan sa baba natin sa may description. And if you want to start with your trading journey, nandiyan lang din yung link natin. So see you guys.